Hello, I'm going to share with you a technique of printing and using lace as a mask with using transfer paints. And so you need to have some strips of lace or pieces of lace. They have to be nylon, cheapest nylon you can find in the market. If you like, you can get lots of 3-meter lengths of lace for very little money, and they are the best. And then when it's transferred, you will find you get this attractive lace frame around your picture of leaves. That again could be useful on the cover of a larger book, perhaps a ring binder. You can make a larger piece with this sort of technique in order to build up, to make a huge piece of fabric to cover a book.